Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku remote on phone. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Check your network. Your phone and your Roku TV or Roku device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku app. Open Roku app. Select your Roku TV or Roku device. Remote. Done. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku remote on phone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.